How to link an external bank account to Truist. In order to link an external bank account to Truist, you need to first thing first log in or sign into your Truist online mobile banking app. I'm going to use the web version of it. You could use the app as well. So once you're taken to the home page, you want to press to the link at the top. Now here, you just want to go ahead and log into your account, and from the home page, you want to select transfer and pay options. As you do this, you then want to choose the tile for transfer money and pay choice account, and then go to manage external account tab as well. Once you've done that, you could just simply tap on add non-trust account and provide the account details like typing in their routing number, account number for your other bank, and then select continue button. And you likely need to verify the account by either signing in to your external bank account directly using a username and a password for the bank, or by confirming small deposit like micro deposit that choice sends to your external account within a few days. And that's how you're going to review the details on the confirmation page and click onto or tap onto the continue to finish the process. And that's the way you could go ahead and link an external bank account to Trust. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.